Hey guys, it is Sarah. Just wanted to go over some shopping tips for you for getting ready for the 30 days to healthy living. So I've got my July mask here. I haven't done anything today. I'm just trying to get everything out and done. So I just want to share my screen with you. So for my family, we chose to go a little out of order and we're doing the spring summer week 3 recipe. So I just kind of wanted to walk you through what that looks like and what I do. I'm gonna see if I don't think I can share 2 screens here, but let's see, maybe I can share my desktop. Let's see if I can share okay, I'm gonna share my desktop so you guys can see the whole thing, but forgive the mess. So here we are. So I'm looking at this, week 3 meal plan. Here's what it has with all the different options there. Lunches and options. So basically the first page is giving you some really good suggestions and whatever. And so again, we're trying to go clean as much as possible, organic as much as possible, but you guys, progress over perfection. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? Okay. So meat. So what I always do, you guys, is I look at this, I shop through my house first, and if I'm I have no idea what that is or I can't get that, then I'm gonna talk to me, because I'm really good at finding replacements for things. But lean ground beef, so let's say you process your own meat, use that, you guys. Lean ground turkey is super great. It's super inexpensive. Chicken breasts, it says organic or free range, you guys. Do what you can do. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. If you can't get organic or free range, get what you can get the best possible clean option as possible, that's possible to you. For some of you, depending on if it's just you doing the program or if you're feeding more people, you might be able to go through and take these recipes and make all the recipes and then just take whatever your leftovers are and save them for the next week. So you could potentially literally do 2 weeks of recipes and be totally good covering for the entire 30 days and still be eating clean every day. What I love about this is everything's planned out. So it's not like you're going to be stopping at the grocery store on a whim because, I forgot this or whatever. Or, I'm hungry, we don't have dinner, I'm gonna go grab this, or I'm gonna stop at the gas station, or I'm gonna stop at the coffee shop. So you're literally gonna save so much money doing this. So, and let's be honest, if you're doing what I'm doing here, I'm actually shopping on Instacart right now to have it delivered to my house. You're not going to be shopping hungry or grabbing all the snacks while you're there. So it's super great. You can also do this with Walmart pickup or whatever your store is in your area. So going down the list, I see, okay, spinach or kale used for shakes. So I personally use spinach. I don't use kale in my shakes, too much for me. Romaine lettuce, I know I have some of that already. And a tip for romaine lettuce, I'll give you later too, but wash it when you get it home, put it into a container and put paper towels in there that you just rotate regularly. Green apples for snacks. So maybe you're I absolutely hate green apples, so don't get green apples. Grab berries instead, or something else that would be a clean alternative. Make sure to check into the Facebook page because we are trying to limit the types of fruits that we're using. So green apples are cool, berries are cool. If you're training heavily for something, last year, for example, I was training for a marathon. I threw bananas in there because I needed that for my training. But bananas and other fruits have actually a really high glycemic index. So we try to kind of keep it in this realm of berries and green apples. Mint, it says optional breakfast and 5. If you go to 5, it says, mint or whatever herb you like. I can't get mint at Aldi's. I can't get, fresh basil or fresh whatever at Aldi's. So I'm just going to use whatever I have and, or, whatever I can get there. So that's great. Cilantro, I have herbs de Provence. I don't even know what the heck that is. So I'm just going to use some spices that I have that are salt-free. Fennel, I know I can't get that at Aldi. But if you go to number 4, okay, right? I don't even know if I like fennel anyways. But if we go to number 4 here, it says use the herbs de Provence. Again, you don't need to do it. It's roasted vegetables. So do whatever. It says fennel bulb cubed. Use something else, right? Use something else. It's roasted vegetables. You figure out what you want. Maybe you want broccoli in there instead. Use that instead, you guys. That's totally okay. Let's see, where are we? Purple onion, zucchini, avocado. Avocado, it says optional too. You guys get the frozen stuff if you can. You can just warm it up and throw it in there. Totally easy. It's going to keep longer for you. and all the good stuff. So lemons for 5, shredded carrot and radish blend. I literally just got carrots out of the bag and some fresh radishes, and I'm just gonna blend, like shred them at home. Sweet potato, 1 small. So like I have some leftover like zoodles that I made, so I'm just gonna pull those out of the freezer and like chop them up real small. For that, almond or coconut milk. Yeah, whatever you can do to avoid soy here is great. And that's what DFSF stands for, dairy free and salt free. So like butter, for example, I'm not going to get butter because I have tons and tons of coconut oil. And it's, again, it's saying dairy free and soy free, but like the mozzarella, cheddar cheese, and Parmesan cheese, I can get that at Aldi. I might go somewhere else to get it. But again, I might make my own cheese sauce out of nutritional yeast, which I know Aldi has a little bit of it, but I have a lot of it too. So there's something that we can look at. Again, if it's a snack and you're like, yeah, that's not really up my alley, don't get it. Don't get it. Like optional, or the brown rice syrup, a snack or optional breakfast. I don't need that. Like I'm not going to do that. So vanilla extract, coconut flour. Again, these are things like you probably don't need, right? Like arrowroot or tapioca flour, like use almond flour instead. That's what I have. I'm going to use that to actually make a 90-second steamed bread for our, it says gluten-free hamburger buns. I'm going to use that instead to make a homemade gluten-free burger bun. Which is literally just like 2 pieces of bread. So super easy. I have brown rice and black beans, you guys. So shop your cupboards first, super important. And if you have questions, like, do I really need that? Like look at what meal it's going with and just go see. So like chicken stock or broth, I have a 16-ounce thing of veggie broth here. So I'm just going to use that. I'm not going to do that. So optional breakfast recipes are all here, you guys. A lot of things you can do ahead of time. So if you're like a prep person, like I want to get this stuff done today so that this week is easier, because we have so much going on this week, even though we are, everybody is working home except for my husband. So there's that. So I just wanted to give you and show you that. And then I'm going to pop over here. I don't have everything like perfect in here yet. I just need to up some of the amounts, but look at this, you guys, like basically one thing, Melanie, I'll call you right back, I promise. Basically, one thing in here had to be offered with a substitute, right? So, and again, like I know I can't get amino acids. Reduced sodium soy sauce is not perfect. It's not perfect, but quite frankly, it's gonna do the trick. And quite frankly, I don't even know that I need it. We used to have aminos here. We don't have them anymore. But depending, that's something I can actually probably take out of there. So just options for you guys. On Instacart, I'm working on, I have $40 in used credits. You see here, I like went online and searched Instacart promo codes and went on Facebook too and searched them and got a couple of them. So I now have 40. So my checkout is 73. I'm going to use that 40 and my groceries for the week are going to be less than $50 for my family of 4, because there will be 4 of us here this week until Jay gets here on the weekend. And so super awesome, you guys. If you have questions, reach out to me as soon as possible, and I'll see what I can do to help you with that. So thanks for watching. I'll have another video here showing a couple other things too, but if you have any questions, you guys don't ever hesitate to reach out. Okay, have a great day. I'm so excited to do this with you.